Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create Instagram highlights without adding it to your story. Usually, a story which is posted and it is after 24 years, then we can convert that story into a highlight. Usually, that is what happens actually. But if you don't want to do that, means if you don't want to post it to story and viewed by all your followers or something like that, we can have still post a highlight without adding it to our story. Not exactly adding, but there's a trick. Actually, there are two ways we can do this. Okay, I'll show you the two ways. And the first one is a bit hard, means we need to select all our followers list. But the second one is very, very easy, and this tip will be useful. Okay, we'll see the first one. As I told you, the first option will be something like we can play with our story settings. You need to click on your profile picture at bottom, then click on these three bars at top right, and then click on privacy and settings. And here you should check for hide story and live from. So here you will get all the list of your friends, and this is the option called hide story from. What you need to do is just need to select each and every follower from your list of followers. Then you should post a story by clicking on this and clicking on story. You should you should post a story. Okay, see here. Okay, 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 okay. The story which you have posted after 24 hours, this story also will get added to this archive folder. See here, archive folder. Here you will get that story, and from here you can create a highlight and add that story as highlights. That's the one option, and this is a bit hard, and the second one is a bit easy. I'll show you. Instead of blocking everyone to see, instead hiding story from all your followers, we can create close friends concept. So there is a concept like close friends. I'll show you. Click on these three bars and click on this close friends. And what you need to do is, if you have a second account, just search that account and add that account as your close friend. So even if you post the story, only that person, means your account, means you only can see that story, so that no one will be able to see your story. That is one possible way. Or you may ask one of your close friend and add here, and you can post a story. And for example, I'll show you. I'll just post a story. And here click on this forward symbol and uncheck this option. Instead you can click on close friends. So even if I post the story, only this one person will be able to see your story. So click on share, click on done. See, now that story will be able to view by myself if the account is my second account, or only the single person can view your story, and after 24 hours you can add it to highlights. So in these two possible ways you can add or create a highlight without adding it to your story, something similar to like that. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.